Well, good morning, guys and gals. So, happy Thursday to you. So today we've got our, I love today, our Greek root, since it goes along with what you need to be a good athlete, which tomorrow we have our field day. Awesome. Okay, so go through these. Mr. Schultz is going to read another chapter, and you only have to choose 2 of these questions to answer. Guys, answer completely, okay? And then there's a little video here for you to watch, and then I need you to finish your Mother's Day. Okay, guys, this has to be finished. Miss Evans and I are working on our email addresses to make sure they're up to date, and so that we can get these sent out to your moms. All right, so these need to be finished today. Okay, guys, cut and paste. If you've not done your cloud and you're doing your cloud today, your word cloud, you don't have to share it with me. Cut and paste it. I showed you how to do it on those slides. You can put it on the slide. If you can't get the acrostic to work, then type yourself up an acrostic. You don't need the generator. I've given you examples, so you write out the word mother and make an acrostic. But we need to get all of this finished. Take the picture of yourself and put it on there. Get it all finished today, okay? All right, and then tomorrow, awesome, will be field day. All right, I'm going to make an assignment for tomorrow just for you to have a place to put your pictures. Okay, and there's a fun little tic-tac-toe board for you to do some fun things to add to your pictures for your field day events. Okay, all right, so here we go. Have a great day, guys.